Hi, today I'm front of me Galaxy F34 and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first we should hold for a while home screen with our finger, not the home screen only just the application. Tap to select and for example select a couple of apps. You could click here to create the folder, and by this way we could see that we just successfully created a new folder on our home screen. Also we get one more way how we could do that. Just hold for a while the app and drag this app to another one, and by this way we could see that we just successfully created the new home screen folder. So also you could make it by the third way. Hold for a while the application in the folder together, tap to select a couple of apps and create a new folder from the first one. So we got three different ways how we could create the folders on our home screen. How we could customize them. We could add the name, just tap to folder name and under the apps, for example. You could also rename it by this way or just by hold the folder and tap here to this edit icon. So we could also select the folders, select the folder and remove all of the application from the folder and the folder together. Also we could just remove the application from the folder just by holding and drag the app to the home screen. And also if you wanna add the new applications to your folder, you should click to this plus icon and select the applications which you wanna add, tap to done, and that's it. We could also change the color here of this folder just by selecting one from the available colors. So we could use also this watches or spectrum palette. So tap to done, and that's it. So thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.